Hello guys, this is Codebreaker here. I saw this lovely little combination lock, 10 digits, sold on Amazon. And I've also noticed that Bosnian Bill has got one of these on his lock chest. I think this is his last one to get off. So I saw this and I thought, you know what, I'm going to pick it up. I'm not going to say how much it is. Major money. I think it cost me about £3.50, £3.49 or something like that. So I'm not expecting anything silly out of this. But I've got to read what it says, and because I thought this is quite good. I hope I'm saying it the right thing. It's Trixes 10-digit combination silver steel padlock. This anti-theft padlock is perfect for outdoor use to lock up your belongings such as bikes, shed doors, garden gates or your luggage when you travel. Made of strong durable steel, it's waterproof so it will last whatever the weather conditions you use it in. Don't worry about losing the key. This padlock comes with a number-digit code, so no need to keep track of the keys in order to unlock it. This padlock also has a steel shackle and zinc alloy cylinder which prevents thieves from breaking the lock or it wearing out. After reading that, I thought this is the one for me. Solid steel, thieves can't even get into it. There you go. The key features of this, by the way, to tell us is keep your valuables secure, 10-digit combination lock for improved security, strong steel, made of durable and strong steel. Combination code provided. After reading and memorising the PIN code, destroy the code. I feel like I'm a little bit like James Bond today, so I'm not even going to look at the code, even though it's here. It's got multiple uses for sheds, cabinets, luggage, gym lockers, etc. and more. Anyway, so I've looked at it. I thought, how do I pick this thing? Right, goes like that. So I thought I'll have a look at it. So to reset it, if I push these numbers in, you press that. There. That resets it. Don't you see the bottom going? Just press the shackle down and it resets it. Right, so what I'm going to do, I don't know the numbers, so I'm going to press all 10 down to open it, and what I'm going to try and feel is resistance against the numbers, trying to push it backwards, push these back out. So try for number 1. No resistance. No resistance. Oh, resistance on 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm working backwards. No resistance on 5. No resistance on 7, 8, 9. Hold on, there's something going wrong here. 1, 2, 3. No resistance on 3. I'll leave 3 down. No resistance on 4. No resistance on 5. Resistance on 6. Hey, and here it is. It's opened. Haven't even looked at the number. But the bottom line, it's quite smart. I do like it. But it's one of those. You feel for the resistance at the back of the key. I'll put it for open. And all I'm looking for, if I push these in, I'm looking for resistance on the key, on the button. Try it again. Well, you can see it did it anyway. So there you are. Do it again. Do it again to open. Press the shackle down. Open. Right. Okay. They're all down. Well, see the number there. Not see the number. All right. 1, 2. Resistance on 3. None on 4. I don't know about 5. Well, let's go back to that thing. 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 5. Open. I did it the first time. I should have just left it. Anyway, let's try it again. Push all these now. I don't see it.
Yeah, just keep trying. Do you know what? Before I'd done this on the camera, I must admit I cracked it straight away, and I thought brilliant. But it's not looking right. I'm actually working through a camera. That's my excuse. So that's why it makes it a little bit more difficult. But you know what? I thought it's quite a nice little novelty lock. I'm gonna start. I am gonna start giving stuff away. If anybody wants this, leave me a quick note on the bottom of my YouTube video, and we'll sort something out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all soon. Cheers.